Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of auto collision repair and refinishing. Before we begin our presentation today, I'd like to share a little information about GW Publisher. As a trusted educational partner for more than 100 years, GW continues to operate with a vision that began in 1921 to provide the highest quality content at a great value and take the best care of our customers. We share your passion and commitment to prepare learners for success in life and career. GW collaborates with outstanding authors, trustworthy reviewers, and industry-focused trade associations to deliver content with effective pedagogy aligned to national standards. This team of experts across career, technical, and health education ensures that students have the right mix of knowledge and skills for success. Every GW title is built to help support student success with powerful content written by expert educators and industry experts aligned to standards. Our content, delivered in both print and digital options, is designed with pedagogical tools to promote applied, hands-on practice and authentic learning through projects, procedures, and skills. And of course, every GW adoption includes ongoing instructor support. From our time-saving resources like detailed lesson plans and PowerPoints, assessments, consultation to find the best package for your school, and professional development opportunities with our national content specialists. The online instructor resources provide instructors with time-saving preparation tools such as answer keys, editable lesson plans, and other teaching aids. Some features include lesson plans and activities. Experienced teachers have developed detailed lesson plans and creative activities to accompany the textbooks. There's no need to spend days recreating your courses. They have done it for you. PowerPoint presentations. Editable slides for each chapter engage a variety of learning styles, improve student focus, encourage discussion, and provide visual impact. Assessments with assessment software with question banks, which include hundreds of matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer questions to assess student knowledge of the content in each chapter. GW Assessment is a cloud-based assessment platform that seamlessly integrates with a school's LMS. No more downloads, uploads, or imports needed. One quick click takes you directly into GW Assessment. Create, customize, assign, and print pre-built questions and tests to meet the needs of your course. Confirm student comprehension through hundreds of questions in matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer format. Enjoy the auto-grading feature that saves you time, improves your efficiency, and helps with your overall course management. When integrated in an LMS, easily measure student knowledge as grades and results flow right into your LMS gradebook. Gain valuable insights into student performance with advanced reporting delivered to your LMS. Stay current with continuous platform updates that ensure your class always has access to the latest assessments and features. GW is connected and committed to helping you achieve your teaching goals while students master learning. Our print titles are also available as a digital experience that includes the full ebook, digital versions of workbook or lab manual, as well as any accompanied media, study tools, and assessments. Supplemental learning with auto collision repair and refinishing includes the ebook, workbook, shop manual, digital companion, and more. The digital companion is an additional online resource for students. The site includes e-flashcards, vocabulary matching activities, review activities, and a variety of other learning activities. Now, let's dive into the textbook. Auto collision repair and refinishing is a comprehensive resource created by ASE master technicians, delivering the essential tools you need to succeed in the collision repair industry. Organized around ASE's collision repair and refinish certification tests, it begins with basic concepts and advances to more complex topics. This new edition of auto collision repair and refinishing was written with both secondary and post-secondary students in mind. It supports a wide range of learners, from high school students entering the trade to college students preparing for a rewarding career. The content is organized around the latest ASE Education Foundation collision repair and refinish program standards and reflects current industry expectations, tools, and techniques. This resource also helps the user prepare for the ASE entry-level collision repair and refinish tests, the ASE collision repair and refinish certification test and damage analysis and estimating certification test, the ASE XCV safety certifications, and iCar Academy badges. The fourth edition of Auto Collision Repair and Refinishing contains numerous enhancements to help you succeed. Content has been updated to ensure alignment with the latest ASE Education Foundation collision repair and refinish task lists. Content updates throughout the text include expanded ADAS coverage, updated procedures, additional warnings and cautions, and a strong emphasis on following OEM procedures. A new chapter, Electric Vehicles, has been added with an emphasis on safe practices for working on or near electric vehicles. A new feature, Focus on Aluminum, emphasizes safe practices and highlights the importance of keeping aluminum repair areas and tools free from contamination by steel and plastic repair materials and tools. A new feature, PPE Warning, has been added to a long list of warnings and cautions that emphasizes the use of proper protective gear. Content has been updated to ensure alignment with the latest ASE Education Foundation collision repair and refinish task lists. ASE-type questions are designed to help you become familiar with the types of questions you will encounter when taking the ASE certification tests. Each chapter opener contains a list of learning outcomes, a list of technical terms, and an introduction. Learning outcomes clearly identify the knowledge and skills to be gained when the chapter is completed. Technical terms list the key words to be learned in the chapter. The introduction provides an overview and preview of the chapter content. Additional features. Tech tips provide advice and guidance that are especially applicable for on-the-job situations. Additional features are used throughout the body of each chapter to further learning and knowledge. Warnings alert you to potentially dangerous materials and practices that can result in personal injury if proper procedures or safety measures are not followed. Cautions identify situations that may cause damage to a vehicle, equipment, or tools if proper procedures are not followed. PPE warnings emphasize the use of proper protective gear when performing certain tasks. Procedures are highlighted throughout the textbook to provide clear instructions for hands-on service activities. Focus on Aluminum emphasizes safe practices and the importance of keeping aluminum repair areas and tools free from contamination by steel and plastic repair materials and tools. End of chapter material provides an opportunity for review and application of concepts. A concise summary provides an additional review tool and reinforces key learning objectives. This helps you focus on important concepts presented in the text. Know and understand questions enable you to demonstrate knowledge, identification, and comprehension of chapter material. Apply and analyze questions, extend learning, and develop your abilities to use learned material in new situations and to break down material into its component parts. Critical thinking questions develop higher-order thinking, problem-solving, personal, and workplace skills. ASE-type questions are designed to help you become familiar with the types of questions you will encounter when taking the ASE certification tests. The workbook contains a variety of review question types, reinforcing the key concepts and applied knowledge presented in the corresponding textbook chapter. It is designed to ensure students' understanding of the terms, concepts, and procedures presented in the textbook. The shop manual contains jobs that provide hands-on practice of 100% of the ASE Education Foundation collision repair and refinish tasks. The jobs help students develop the hands-on skills needed to succeed in the field and are intended to be completed in a shop setting under the guidance of an instructor. Digital assets include an automotive virtual toolbox used to help learners identify tools like a pro. In addition, multimeter simulations give students an opportunity to practice their troubleshooting skills and receive immediate feedback. Instructors are given access to an image library, which is a collection of nearly all of the textbook illustrations in electronic format. Instructors can insert individual illustration files into other applications to create customized presentations, handouts, worksheets, study guides, and assessments. Illustrations have been designed to clearly and simply communicate the specific topic. Illustrations and photographic images have been updated throughout to show the latest techniques and equipment. Skilled technicians use a lot of tools, and learning to identify all of these tools can be challenging. By practicing with this virtual toolbox, which contains toolbox e-flashcards, students will learn how to identify tools like a pro. The multimeter simulations contain 12 simulations that consist of 24 individual problems. They give students valuable experience performing voltage, amperage, and resistance measurements with a simulated multimeter. Students can practice installing the test leads and the correct meter jacks, selecting the proper meter function, preparing the circuit, and placing the test probes in the circuit without fear of damaging the meter. The digital companion includes drag and drop activities to help students identify the various parts of vehicles and equipment they will be using in the shop and in their careers. Customers may also use Moto Visuals, which is a cloud-based library containing hundreds of service and repair animations that show how each part of the car works and what can happen when the part fails. Special thanks to Advanced Auto Parts for providing these amazing assets. We are dedicated to creating exceptional professional development experiences that ignite innovation and drive student success. Through cutting-edge training and instructional design specifically for educators, GW can support you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel. Extend learning, build student interest, and create an engaging atmosphere for your class. Visit our Tools for Educators site to download printable activities, infographics, and posters along with student-centered instructional strategy videos ready for use today. A well-prepared educator is at the cornerstone of every successful learning environment, and GW is here to support you every step of the way. By providing tools that range from simple, user-friendly training resources that directly align to your textbook to high-impact instructional practices, we want every educator to feel confident using GW resources as a powerful gateway to student-centered learning. If you have additional questions or need assistance pertaining to the GW product, please contact us at GW Support or Customer Service and visit our knowledge-based articles and how-to guides at support.g-w.com. You may also submit a ticket through our support center by going to support.g-w.com/new, filling out the required fields, and creating your ticket. In addition, we have a number of knowledge-based articles and how-to guides that you can explore by visiting our support center. You may select a category. You may choose your specific LMS and read the articles of your choice. Please visit us at support.g-w.com to learn more. Every product we create at GW is informed by educators who teach the course it's designed for. We look for teachers or industry professionals who are experts in their field to thoroughly review our content before it's published. If you're interested in working with the GW team to develop new products and improve existing ones, visit www.g-w.com/engage with us to learn more. Stay up to date on the latest from GW when you follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And our new GW blog will cover important issues and insights across the career, technical, and health education fields, new trends and technologies that are transforming the workforce, and classroom-tested tips for CTE, health, and PE educators. Visit www.g-w.com to learn more about auto collision repair and refinishing for your course.